Hey there, here's a quick preview of the audio visualizer we are about to build, all from a single prompt. To make this, I simply paste a prompt into ChatGPT and it generated the entire index.html file for me. Then I open Google and search for p5.js online editor. It's free, works in browser, and doesn't require any login. Then I selected the file name index.html and paste the full HTML code. Now hit the play button to run the file. Now I can upload multiple audio files, play or pause them, and switch tracks easily. Keep in mind, AI can make mistakes, so feel free to tweak the code or prompt as needed. You will find everything in the description, the final working code, the version generated by ChatGPT, and exact prompt I use. Try it out, experiment with it, and enjoy building cool stuffs with AI.